Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Contacts or Phone app and locating the person whose name you want to change. Once you find them, tap to open the detailed view. Make sure you are looking at the saved contact and not a linked caller ID entry. If the app shows multiple linked accounts, note which account holds the editable name. Now, look for the edit or pencil icon and tap it to start changing fields immediately. You are now in edit mode and can modify name fields. Change the first, middle, and last name boxes as required. Use the nickname or company field for alternate display. Once done, confirm the display name field or format option if present, because some apps let you choose order: first, last versus last, first. Make sure to update related fields like phonetic spelling or sorting name so searches and sorting behave as you finish by tapping Save and waiting for the confirmation that changes were stored. Once saved, verify the new name appears in calls, messages, and other synced apps. Open one to confirm. If you use multiple accounts, check that the correct account sync the change. Troubleshooting tip: if the name reverts or doesn't appear, make sure sync is enabled, retry editing in the account that owns the contact, or clear the contact's app cache and resync to resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.